Okay. In the previous video, we have set up our folder for SearchAtlas. We've set up our filters and settings. And we also went through the process of creating an article using a formal outline that we built ourselves. In this example, we're just going to use the Write with AI feature. So this is a simplified workflow that allows you to create AI-generated content using an article title and target keywords. So we're going to use the same exact target keywords: technical SEO, what is technical SEO, and technical SEO best practices. And we're going to use the same article title as the previous post. We're going to go ahead and plug that in there. And we're simply just going to create Write Article with AI. Now, this process is a lot easier than the Write Yourself process. The Write Yourself process requires you to either build an outline, review your competitors, and manually seed in the entities based off your target keywords. Whereas the Write with AI does all of that work for you. It operates simply off of a title and the target keywords. It then creates the outline, creates the headings, and ultimately writes the copy to reflect the settings that are in the folder. The caveat here is that since the AI is creating all of the headings itself based off of the current SERPs, you don't have the same degree of control the way you do with the Write Yourself model, where you can specify what your subsections and FAQs are. The Write with AI will essentially do all of that for you. So it's an easier, faster way to write content with AI, but you do sacrifice a little bit of control in terms of how you want your page to be architected. Both methodologies have their pros and cons. Please explore both of them and let us know if you have any questions along the way. At this stage, we're essentially just going to wait until SearchAtlas creates a new piece of content, and we'll essentially look at the differences between the manual outline that we created and the Write with AI that SearchAtlas created itself. All right, so it's been about 2.5 minutes, and SearchAtlas has created a new article on the same subject matter using just the Write with AI workflow. So we're going to go ahead and click into that. So this is going to be the new article. There are definitely core differences between the way the article is created. So in the first example, this one here is the one that we manually outlined, and we pre-selected our heading structures. The AI created its own heading structure, so Mastering Technical SEO, an introductory guide for beginners. We still have key takeaways. We still have unique images. We still have bullets and tables and all of this rich data. The main difference, though, is that the AI has intuited the heading structure based off of scanning the top ranking sites, whereas the one that we created manually, we pre-selected our heading structure. So this article is also incredibly high quality, covers a broad range of topics and concepts as relates to technical SEO. But we do realize that the content score is a little bit lower, and the piece of content is a little bit less tailored than the original one that we created with the manual outlining. Either way, this does create an incredibly high quality piece of content. And if I wanted to, I could simply post this on SearchAtlas as well. But since we've already posted the first article, we're just going to go ahead and leave that here. So to recap this, there are two ways to use the AI. One is to reference the Write Yourself module. Select an article title, select your target keywords, define a location, build your outline, or AI create the outline, and then customize the complete article workflow using the Write with AI module, right? So you customize this. The other option is to simply write with AI, give it a title, your target keywords, and your location, and let the AI create the content based off of its own independent research.